Hello kids! Welcome to our fourth online class. Now, this time, this is the fourth part of our discussion in our science subject. Our topic in our science is all about living things and non-living things. But before we proceed to our lesson discussion, let's read first our vocabulary words. The first word we are going to study, it's all about cat. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Cat. One more time. Cat. Let's spell the word cat. C-A-T. Cat. Good job. Next, let's proceed to the second word. The second word is chair. Again, repeat. Chair. Let's spell the word chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Very good. And the third word is spider. Everybody, spider. Now let's spell the word spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Very good. Now let's proceed to our lesson discussion. Again, our topic it's all about living things and non-living things. Now, I have here a question for you. What are living things? And what are non-living things? So, all of this question will be answered later. Okay, now let's proceed. What is living things? Living things are things that are alive. So it means when we talk about alive, so have life, right? So what they need? So they need food, water, and air to stay alive. So it means living things need food, water, air to stay alive. So next, they have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow and change on their own, and respond to changes in environment. So it means all living things can reproduce. When we say reproduce, it means they can make another living things, and also they can or they grow. Yes. So it means from small to big. They can grow from small to big. Example of that is a baby. A baby will grow from child to adult, right? Okay, and they can also respond to changes in environment. That is all about living things. Now, let's proceed to next. So these are examples of living things. I have here the first picture. Who can guess what is this? Okay, a puppy. So, these are puppies, right? Okay. These puppies are living things. Another example. Okay, monkeys. Very good. These are monkeys, right? Okay, so they are an example of living things. And the last is, what's this? Cats. Okay, the cats is an example of a living things also. And from puppies, monkeys, and cats, all of them are called animals. Very good. Let's read it again. Animals. Very good. Okay, what is animals? Animals eat food. Okay? Animals eat food, drink water, and breathe air. Okay, so it means all animals eat food, or they need food, and they also drink water, and they breathe air. Okay, so animals is an example of a living things. Now let's proceed to next. Animals give birth to their young ones. They grow as they get bigger and have changes in their physical appearance. Okay, I will show you here pictures of an animal. The first animal is, what's this? It's a chicks. Yes, they are chicks. So, chicks is an example of an animal that give birth to their young ones, and when they grow, they get bigger and change their physical appearance. And the other one is this elephant. Yes, this young elephant and this adult elephant. As you see, this elephant give birth to their young ones, and the physical appearance of these young ones will change also when they get bigger. Okay, and the next one is, you know what is these animals? These animals is a leopard. Okay, this leopard have a young ones, and these young ones is called cubs, right? Okay, these cubs, when it turns into bigger, they have also changes in their physical appearance. Okay, now let's proceed to non-living things. Non-living things, these things do not need food, water, and air. Okay, again, these things do not need food, water, and air. So always remember, non-living things do not, always remember this word, do not need food, water, and air. Okay. And the other one is, these things do not have the ability to reproduce or give birth and grow. So it means non-living things did not or do not have the ability to reproduce. They cannot make another non-living things by their own. Okay. Or they cannot give birth. They cannot grow also. So they are called non-living things. Now, these are an examples of non-living things. First picture is, okay, these books. These books are non-living things. And the other one is these chairs. Chairs are example of non-living things. And the next one is a television. This television is an example of a non-living things. Now, did you understand what is living things and non-living things? Okay, before we are going to proceed to our activity, let's have first a little bit review about our topic. Okay, so in here, I will show you a picture and answer me what group these belong. These things is belong to living thing or non-living thing. The first picture is this one. Plants. Yes, these plants are what? What do you think? These plants are living things. Very good. So easy, right? Another. Do you know what's this? It's a clock. Yes, it's a clock. Do you have this at home? Yes. Very good. So this clock is belong to what group? Non-living things. Very good. Okay. And another one. Do you know what's this? Okay. You don't know? Okay. This one is a snail. Everybody say snail. Okay. This snail move very slow. Okay. Now I will ask you. This snail is belong to what? Living thing or non-living thing? They are belong to living things. Okay, good job. Now, this time for our activity, let's do this one. Group the following things into living thing and non-living things. Okay, these are the words. The word is book, flower, pencil, chair, cat, fish, tree, hat, computer, and butterfly. Okay, so what you are going to do? You group all these words into their proper group where they belong. Okay, if it is in living thing or non-living thing. Okay, this one. I have an example here in number 1. Tree. Okay, tree is belong to living things. So I write tree in the column of living things. And the other column is non-living things. So here, using these 10 words, you are going to choose where they belong. Okay, so after that, take a photo, and then after that, send it into our line group, and I will check it one by one. So that's all for today. Have a good day and stay at home and always stay safe. Thank you and goodbye, everybody.